Alrighty, replacing the screen on the X5 Touch. Open the door. First is these two white things right here. Just hand unscrew them, get them off, set them somewhere you'll remember. This plate right here slides out from the bottom and down from the top. You can fully pull that out. I like to, on this step, take a picture of how everything is plugged in, the orientation of all the connectors, so you'll remember when you put it back together. Start disconnecting everything after you've done pictures. Just go all the way around the board, all four sides, looking for everything that's connected. Undo all of it. Be careful to not break them. This bottom board down here has connectors on it too. That one and that one. Now, these two, right? Oh, do that. These two at the top get unscrewed. Grab both of those, make sure it doesn't tip off. And then with this one, when you pull it off, I want to go slowly because there's, oh yeah, this hook over here. Get that out. So go slow on this one because there's some cables that you'll see are looped through this hole right here, along with this one on the end that you want to undo. This one can get tucked behind here sometimes, so watch for that one. Holding this, you can grab one of the ones that's pulled through is this black USB and just push this whole thing out through that hole. Pull that through. And then the last one is these two connectors for the screen. Try to help them through from the front. 1 and 2. There we go. Got that off. Set it somewhere safe. You get to here, after you've taken that second plate off, grab a screwdriver and undo this ground from this board right here. Put that to the side. And screw that back in. And then it's 1, 2, 3, and then there's one in this far upper right corner that you'll want to unscrew. And when you do this, hold a hand on the front because you pull the screen out from the front, not the back. So you don't want it to fall. This one. Upper one. Keep some pressure on it from the front as you undo this last one. Then you'll just push and it'll come out from the front. Set it down somewhere. Get your replacement. Around from the front, tuck these through, line this up so that the screws all come through. Refasten this up in the top right. here. Make sure you're not doing these two yet, because these are for after you put that second board back on. And alrighty, once you get your new screen pushed in and attached with those four, you'll take this ground lead, unscrew that, and just screw that in through there, tight. And grab your middle board with these. Put these connectors from the screen back through to the front and connect this side connector over here on the right. Slide this up, get it lined up with those. Rescrew 1 and 2. And then from there, you'll just reference your pictures, reconnect everything, get it all in the right spot. Try to take detailed pictures so you can see the orientation and locations of everything. And then from there, we'll grab this front plate, slide it up into there, push forward, and screw that in, and you're done.